Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a topic that could change our world in ways we might not be ready for. We're talking about the militarization of artificial intelligence and why it's a clear and present danger to humanity. Imagine a world where autonomous drones and robotic soldiers make critical decisions on the battlefield. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's happening right now. Governments and military organizations across the globe are investing billions in AI technology to create weapons that can think and act independently. Now let's break it down. What are AI weapons? Essentially, they are systems capable of identifying, targeting, and engaging adversaries without human intervention. Think about that for a second. Machines with the power to decide who lives and who dies. That's a terrifying thought. The global military-industrial complex is propelling us into this future at a breakneck speed, often without the consent or even the awareness of the people. Why? Because in a race for superiority, nations fear falling behind. It's an arms race, but instead of nuclear weapons, it's intelligent machines. Here's where things get really concerning. AI weapons don't just pose a threat on the battlefield, they could be used for surveillance, control, and oppression. Imagine living in a world where an AI system can track your every move, predict your actions, and even neutralize perceived threats. It's not just about military might, it's about control over society. And let's not forget about the risk of hacking. What if these AI systems fall into the wrong hands? Cyber attacks on autonomous weapons could lead to catastrophic consequences. We're talking about rogue states or even non-state actors getting their hands on technology that can wreak havoc on a massive scale. The scariest part? There's very little public debate or oversight. Decisions about AI weapons are often made behind closed doors by a small group of policymakers and military leaders. The general public, the people who will ultimately be affected by these technologies, have little to no say in the matter. So, what can we do? First, we need to stay informed. Educate ourselves about the implications of AI in warfare and the ethical considerations that come with it. Second, we need to demand transparency and accountability from our governments and military institutions. It's crucial that we have a say in how these technologies are developed and deployed. Lastly, we need to advocate for international regulations and agreements to prevent the reckless use of AI weapons. In conclusion, the militarization of AI is a clear danger to humanity. It's a path that could lead us to a dystopian future if left unchecked. Let's work together to ensure that technology serves humanity, not the other way around. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay safe, stay informed.